Buckle up, adventure seekers. We're getting off to Porto Alegre, the heart of Brazil's southern state, Rio Grande do Sul. Fact 1. This vibrant city is a cultural kaleidoscope, known for its rich blend of indigenous, European, and African influences. Fact 2. It's a city of festivals, from the traditional Festa Junina to the international Porto Alegre Emcena. There's always a reason to celebrate. And fact 3, the city's public market is a culinary haven, boasting flavors from all over the world. Now on to the weird and wonderful. Fact 1, Porto Alegre is home to a lake monster. Believe it or not. Legend says that a giant snake lives in Guaíba Lake. Fact 2, it's also known for its UFO sightings, making it a hot spot for extraterrestrial enthusiasts. And fact 3, the city's trees have their own email addresses. Yes, you heard that right. But remember, this city is not just about facts and figures. It's a bustling metropolis with a population of over 1.5 million people, each with their own stories, dreams, and experiences. So, are you ready to explore Porto Alegre? Join me on this exciting journey and follow me on Instagram at Gurgels. Let the adventure begin.